Now, this is the MSME report, which would be almost similar to what is there in my bill status report. But yes, there are a few terms and conditions which needs to be applied over there. So again, this is also enhanced in our beta version, and the navigation for the same is reports, compliance, others, and MSME. Now, when we are talking about MSME, we need to make sure that our masters, like whenever we are creating a ledger master, we need to update. If we are updating it as a vendor, and we are supposed to update our MSME option or MSME number for that particular vendor, so that we can track the data accordingly. Because unless and until the MSME number is updated for that particular party, you won't be able to view the data in the MSME report. So to enable it, by default for our ledger group, sundry creditors and debtors, MSME number is available. In case if it is not reflecting in your screen, you just need to quickly go in masters, ledger group, and edit. For example, I am updating the group as debtors, which is sundry debtors. Edit. There is an option of applicability. So in most of the cases, if the MSME applicability is skipped, you may not find this option while creating the ledgers or updating the ledgers. So in case if you're not finding the MSME number in your ledger master, just quickly go to your ledger group master and check what is the priority updated for the MSME applicability. So usually by default, it is updated as optional. So in my case, as you can see, it is reflecting ledger create. If I click on the vendor as supplier, I'm getting an MSME number. If I'm creating or editing any ledger master and updating all the details properly, and I'm putting the MSME number and the transactions has been done with respect to that particular party, then automatically those data will be reflecting under compliance, others, and MSME number. MSME report, sorry. So there are two variations. One is summary, one is details. You can always validate the data, or you can get the output with all the entries which are having the MSME data, or with a specific ledger name as well. So over here, I will be clicking on all, and I will click on search. So these are my data. As you can see, you can find the party name being followed with the ledger group, followed with the ledger name part. All these details will be reflecting over here with the MSME number, whichever MSME number has been updated in that particular ledger master, whatever bill has been created, whatever paid amount has been updated against those particular bills, what is the due amount, what is the time range, whether it is up to 30. And as we know, for MSME number, it's a mandate for everyone to pay the amount within a time span of 45 days. So that's the criteria. So we have got 3 or 4 columns, which is up to 30 days, up to 31 to 45 days, and how many payments are, or how many dues are still there in the books, which is 46 to 60 range. Again, those particular criteria, and then greater than 60. So this is a normal time span which is updated over here. You can always click on drill down and see what all transactions over there for the details part. So obviously you will be getting an additional column of MSME number to track all your payments, whether it is on time, it's delayed, or it is overdue. So all those details will be reflecting over here. In case if you want to have a detailed part for this particular party, you don't want to view the summary part, rather you want to have a detailed output part, you can always select this particular ledger and click on search. You will get the entire data with the due since wala column over here. So all these details will be reflecting in front of your screen when it comes to the MSME report. You can always have a drill down to these reports, and you can go to this particular entry, whichever entry has been updated, just to have a quick look. In case if you want to have, in case if you have the edit permission, you can click over here, and it will redirect to your ledger master. And over there, as you can see, there is the MSME number which is updated, and accordingly the data is getting fetched in my MSME report. So this was all about the MSME report. Any queries related to this report, you can please come up one by one.
Good evening, madam.
Yes.
It is very smart initiative taken by you. I want to thank you because
Thank you
we are
so
facing
much.
lot of problems to prepare this MSME report.
Okay.
I would like to thank you for that only.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Okay.
Means a lot. So thank you so much everyone for joining the session. It was good to have an interaction today. In case if there is any kind of feedbacks or related to these reports, do come up with your suggestions and the feedbacks. We'll definitely look into it and we will try our level best to make the life more easier as and when we get the feedbacks. So thank you so much.
Okay, thank you very much, ma'am.
Thank you. Thank you.